What's up everybody? Welcome back to another Kayotic Motorsports video. Today we're back on the Veloster. So what we are going to be doing Veloster today is a downpipe. Turbo downpipe. So we have to get all back in here, tear that apart, get under the car, tear the stock one off, throw the new one on. It is a Sixth Element downpipe. And all exhaust mod videos, you got to do the before and after sound. So give me just a second and we're going to do a clip of what this thing sounds like stock. I'm just going to start it up. It's not cold, drove it for like an hour, so it's not going to be a cold start or anything like that, but we'll start it, see how it sounds, do the install, start it again, see if it's better or worse. Better be better. Right, so now we got that out of the way, it is time to do the install. I'm going to walk through it a little bit. I am here by myself, so I have nobody to record me doing the work on it, but I will walk you through it a bit. So to start off, you got to take, obviously the engine cover has to come off, O2 sensor has to come out, and then there's a bunch of clips for your O2 sensors and whatever else is up here. So all that has to come out. Take the bracket out, peel the heat shields off. This heat shield here is going to be completely removed and replaced with a 6-element heat shield. And then there's another bracket way back here in the back that has to come off. Then you do the top two bolts on the stock downpipe and the bottom one closest to the front of the car from the top. The bottom rear bolt needs to be taken off from the bottom, and it's a two-piece downpipe, so there's two pieces. We're gonna have to pretty much take the entire exhaust off, and then throw the new one up. So give me a second to get some of this taken down. Excuse my hair, we're getting a little long here. It's time for a cut. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna get to work and I will pick this back up in a few. All right, y'all, so yeah, it's a couple hours later. I was just kind of getting at it. I didn't really pull the camera out, it's my fault. But I'll give you an update on what we got going on real quick. So the old downpipe is off. It was a two-piecer. It is off. Here is the new one. And it came with the heat shield. Like I said, that is the 6th Element downpipe for the Hyundai Veloster N. So basically, everything came off up here. And you got a little hole you got to worm it through underneath there. So I am about to get back underneath the car and worm this one back up in there. That should be easier than getting the other one out. Getting the other one out was a major pain in the ass. If I never do one of these again, that'd be fine with me, as goes for pretty much everything on this car so far. But anyway, yeah, so we're gonna get back to it, get this one back up in there, get it all put back together, and we will finish the video off with a sound clip, I guess. Well, I'll come back, show you guys what it looks like from the top with that new heat shield and everything. Then we'll do the sound clip. So stay tuned for the end result. Ready? Nope. All right, guys, we just finished up the install on the Veloster. Tyler is now here.
What's up, guys?
Kyle is also here. We are going to do the first startup on it right now. I'm gonna throw that door up real quick. Throw the door up. Give me a couple good reps. She's spicy. Alright, so that's going to do it for this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good night.